small city before the city, before downtown.
Yeah. And this one is really...
This is considered still a little downtown. It's just a little west. So once we pass Lakeshore, we're in downtown.
There's still some buildings, yeah?
Like when I was a kid, all of these buildings, they weren't here.
Oops.
None of them. More than half of these buildings.
Modern buildings, yeah?
Yeah, they weren't here. So,
beautiful place.
Movie theater, see there?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, VIP too. You can eat and stuff. Yeah, it's nice. It's like a restaurant.
Yeah.
I could probably show you my building where I grew up. Yeah, man.
Okay.
If we pass it, I'm not sure. But all this area down here, I drove my bike everywhere. Everywhere in the city.
Oops. Downtown is so huge.
It's big, but you can get everywhere so fast. You can get a streetcar or bus.
Yeah. Nice buildings here.
Very nice. The architecture is nice.
Yeah. Ooh.
I like that you're having your first experience with me.
Yeah.
I like that. I like that because you will remember it forever.
Yes, of course. I will remember with your marijuana.
Exactly.
There are apartments?
Yeah. Some of them are apartments, some are condos. Like my building, where I grew up, was 4 buildings connected, but 2 of them were condos and 2 of them were just apartments. So some were more expensive.
This one is Ryan?
This is Lake Ontario.
Lake Ontario. Oh,
Yeah.
Lake. Beautiful.
Yeah, I was down here yesterday, or no, it's Sunday.
Yeah.
And where AK went, I think it's called High Park. It's a nice park.
I think AK lives here, yeah?
Yeah, he lives down here, yeah.
He told me he lives in downtown.
Yeah, man. I don't miss downtown, though. Like, for me, downtown was bad. Not all the time, but certain periods. So my mom moved to she moved to Brampton.
So, this building is symbol of Toronto?
Yeah, see a tower? Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Well, it was the tallest building, free-standing building at one point. Now I think the one in Dubai.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Khalifa Tower. I think that one's tall now. Good food places over here behind these houses.
Oh.
A lot of good food, like pastries if you want donuts and bagels. You eat bagels back home?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bagels and like cream cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
We eat all American fast foods.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's good. So it's basically kind of the same.
Yeah, like
KFC,
Burger King, McDonald's.
Yep. But you guys still have your traditional food you guys like to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
We eat sometimes.
Yeah?
We eat sometimes so fast foods.
Yeah, me too.
But not every day.
No, me too.
Yeah.
Like yesterday I bought fast food just I felt like it.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't want to go home and cook. Hey, you just buy something. But one thing I don't like about downtown is traffic. Too much traffic. Population's too much, man.
Yeah, rich people, yeah.
It's too small too.
Too small area, yeah.
Because as I said, when I was a kid, all of these buildings weren't here. So like half of the cars, they weren't half the cars, you know?
Stadium, yeah.
Yeah, BMO, soccer.
Soccer.
My brother, he could have played here too. They offered him $500,000
Oops.
to play, but he went overseas. He played in Singapore.
Downtown is really
This
huge.
is where I was. Oh no, I was back there, medieval times. Here and there's horses, a bunch of horses in there. Exhibition place. It's like a carnival. You guys have carnival back home too?
No.
No, like you go have rides and food. No? Carnival, like a carnival. Basically, not like a party, but like there's Ferris wheels.
Yeah.
Yeah. They have one down there every year. But for COVID, they stopped.
Beautiful.
My house, it's very close from me to here, where I lived. And down here is like an aquarium. You see all the sharks and fish and stuff. It's next to the CN Tower.
Toronto style is very beautiful.
I love it.
Yeah.
I just don't. There's some of the people in it's not good. So it's not a bad influence, but it's a beautiful city.
Yeah.
People just need to make better choices. That's all. And that's anywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. See that? See that condo? Look at that building. It's attached.
Yeah.
Now you're about to see Rogers Center. We play baseball.
What is that? Rogers Center.
Yes, we're Blue Jays. We play baseball.
Ah. It's like stadium?
Yes.
Ooh,
It's
nice houses.
Historic
Nice
stadium. That's historic.
Ah.
They used to call it Sky Dome. Then they changed it. Rogers bought it.
I see. This part of looks like Manhattan,
Yes. Exactly.
but modern buildings, yeah.
Yes. Manhattan's beautiful too.
Yeah.
I've been there a few times. Very nice. See where my house is? I get off this exit. Jarvis.
Yeah.
I usually get off right here. And this?
Yeah.
Toronto Raptors.
Raptors?
Yeah, Toronto Raptors basketball. This is our
Yeah.
where we won our championship, man.
So beautiful.
Right? Trust me, like my neighborhood, this is my neighborhood right here. All behind here is all my neighborhood.
Oops.
Yeah, man. And then I used to drive down here, go by the lake. Fun, man. It's nice.
What about beach?
Yeah, there's beaches too. But I like to drive out of the city for beach. Because this water is no good.
But swimming season not yet, yeah?
No. People swim, but it's not swimming season yet. Water is really cold still. But I don't like the water down here.
When start swimming season?
What do we? May, maybe June.
June?
Yeah.
Oh.
But some people will still swim, but it's very cold. Very cold.
You see this bridge?
Yeah.
Good one, yeah. I like it.